Hello guys! In this tutorial we will create this amazing torn paper effect in Adobe Photoshop. So let's start. First, place the images. Images link in description. Duplicate the model layer. Change blend mode normal to multiply. Go to adjustment layers and select bulk and white layer. Again, go to adjustment layers and now select levels layer. Right-click on torn paper layer and select blending options. Now to add the drop shadow and follow the settings. And here's the final result. I hope you guys like the video. If you like the video, make sure to subscribe my channel.